Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color something super yummy. It's a popsicle. They are ice creams. Ice creams are cold, sweet. They come in many fun shapes and colors. Some ice creams are in a cone, some are on a stick, and some come in a cup. It's a watermelon ice cream. Ice creams come in many yummy flavors. Ice cream cone. I love ice creams. Do you like ice cream? What's your favorite flavor? It's a swirly popsicle. Now let's make our ice creams colorful. Pink. Blue. Pink. Blue. Red. Green. Purple. Pink. Blue. Orange.
The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Brown.
Hickory dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Look at these ice creams. Wow, so colorful. Now let's make them sparkle. We add some glitter on the ice creams.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Pink.
Hickory dickory dock. The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Blue.
Hickory dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock.
Red.
Six, oh little six. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock.
Green.
Tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Purple.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that
Pink.
mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
blue.
glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat.
Orange.
And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a car.
Now they look extra shiny and magical. Yay! We made yummy, colorful ice creams. Great job, little artists. See you next time for more fun drawings.